If you want a single space in Microsoft Word, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to change your document spacing from whatever it is now to clean single spacing. This is perfect for essays, reports, letters, resumes, and any document where you want your text to look more compact and professional. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Microsoft Word tips just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your Word document and select the text you want to change. If you want the entire document to be single-spaced, the fastest way is to press Ctrl A on your keyboard to select everything. If you only want to change part of the document, click and drag to highlight just that section instead. Once your text is selected, go up to the Home tab at the top of Word. The Home tab contains most of the basic formatting tools, including font settings, alignment, and spacing options. Now look for the Paragraph group. In that section, you'll see an icon called Line and Paragraph Spacing. It usually looks like horizontal lines with up and down arrows next to it. Click that icon to open the spacing menu. From the drop-down, choose 1.0. That is the single spacing setting in Microsoft Word. As soon as you select it, your highlighted text should update immediately and the lines will be closer together. If the spacing still looks a little off, make sure your paragraph settings don't have extra spacing before or after each paragraph. Sometimes Word adds that extra space automatically, which can make single spacing look larger than expected. In that case, you may need to check the paragraph formatting and reduce the spacing before and after to 0. But for most documents, selecting your text, going to Home, clicking Line and Paragraph Spacing, and choosing 1.0 is all you need to do. If you're formatting the whole document, this is a quick way to make everything look consistent in just a few clicks. And if you're working on a school assignment or office document, this simple adjustment can help your file meet formatting requirements much faster. If you found this useful, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more Microsoft Word tutorials, shortcuts, and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.